Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going to be doing a Christmas clean with me. I'm just going to tidy up around the house. It's not like really messy. I don't need to deep clean, but I do need to just tidy up, get all of this wrapping paper up, all of these boxes. The kids are going to come here and get their toys because, you know, this is where they decided to play after opening their gifts this morning. I think I'm going to start putting away some of the decor pieces. I don't know if I'm going to mess with the living room. I'll probably just leave this as is and put away the Christmas decor that's in the kitchen because I didn't have much anyways. The dining room is a bit messy as well, so I do need to tidy up this space. I don't know if I'm going to keep the Christmas decor in here. I'm thinking about just removing the Christmas decor out of the kitchen and the dining room. I'm just in the mood to start putting some of it away, but you guys will see by the end of this video what I decided to do. I'm gonna come in this bathroom and tidy up. I just need to wipe down the mirrors, clean off the counters. I don't need to clean out the tub or the toilet because that has been done already. I just need to, do a quick tidy up in here. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be tackling in today's video. Just tidy up this main area.
I'll be yours if you let me hold you tight, but I don't know if you let me in, yeah. I know you had your heart broken one too many times, and now it's hard for you to open up. They have been cruel.
So today's video is kindly sponsored by Toppin. I'll be sharing 2 of their products from Amazon. The first one is their HEPA air purifier, which is a great thing to have to keep the air in your home clean and fresh. Before using this product, you do want to remove the plastic covering over the filter. You're going to replace the filter and lock your base back into place. You do want to have this on a flat surface when you're using it, and then you're just going to go ahead and plug it in. You will hear a beep and all of the lights will light up and stay on for about 3 seconds until the device enters the standby mode. There are 2 buttons on this device to control all of the settings. The bottom button is to turn the unit on and off with 1 press, and if you hold it down for 3 seconds, it'll turn the UV light on or off. The UV light is inside the unit and it helps with inactive airborne pathogens and microorganisms like mold, bacteria, and viruses. Now the top button controls the fan speed, and you will see a 1, 2, 3 indicator for low, medium, and high. By default, the UV light will be on and the fan speed will be on medium when the unit is powered on. When you press and hold the button for 3 seconds, the decorative light will turn on and off. I plan to use this in my son's room to help with his allergies. He has carpet in his room and I cannot remove it because this is a rental. So having this one in his room is really going to give me a peace of mind because I know it's helping to keep his air nice and clean. And I've already been using it. I like to run it at night on the low setting, and it is so quiet. It doesn't interrupt his sleep at all. And then the light on it serves as a night light for him because he doesn't like to sleep in the dark. So I really love this item. I definitely recommend it. I'll have it linked in the description box if you guys want to get your hands on it.
So baby, let me hold you. I wanna show you how to treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right. Let me show you what love is and why it's beautiful. Just put your body on top of mine, yeah. I won't treat you the same way as other girls who have no shame. No, I die for you. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you. I wanna show you how to treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right. Treat you right.
So the glass cleaner I am using is by Sprayway. It is a really good glass cleaner, and the green spray you're going to see me using, that is the Spick and Span antibacterial everyday cleaner, and I purchased it from Dollar Tree, but you can find it at Walmart as well, and it is a tad bit cheaper at Walmart. So whenever I run out of my method cleaner, which is my favorite all-purpose cleaner to use, I always reach for this Spick and Span. I think it does a pretty good job cleaning as well.
Treat you right. Pull you close.
Alright, now the next thing I have from Toppin is this automatic foam soap dispenser. This is a must in the kids' bathroom because it's just going to help reduce the spread of germs. They don't have to worry about touching the pump on a soap dispenser anymore. And I do sanitize in here often. I always like come in with a disinfectant wipe and I'll wipe down like doorknobs, light switches, the pump. But now this is just one less thing I have to worry about, cleaning every single day because they don't have a pump to actually press. This is really easy to set up. All you have to do is open the battery cap and you're going to take out the battery compartment by turning it counterclockwise and pulling it out, and then you're going to install your 4 AAA batteries, and after that you're just going to replace the battery compartment and close the cap. Alright, and then you're going to go ahead and twist off the bottle and add your soap. If you don't have any foaming soap, you can use regular soap, but you do need a 1:4 ratio. So you're just going to add your regular soap first and then fill it the rest of the way with water. Twist the bottle back onto the dispenser and mix it around. Now once that is done, you're going to turn the dispenser on by holding down the button for 3 seconds. The light will turn green when it's on, and you'll do the same thing to turn it off. Just hold it down for 3 seconds and the light will turn red. Now when you're using this for the first time or after refilling, you will have to put your hands under the spout a few times just to get the soap to dispense. You can adjust the amount of soap that comes out by short pressing on the button. So when you press on it and the light blinks once, it's going to be a small amount coming out, and if the light blinks twice, a large amount is going to come out. I really love this product and the kids love it as well. I do want to get more around the house, especially for the kitchen, because when you're dealing with like raw meat, you don't want to be touching the pump on the dispenser. So definitely check it out, guys. I really love it. I do recommend it, and I'll have it linked in the description box.
Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an imprint left in my bed.
Alright, moving on to the kitchen. Now the plan was to do a quick clean around these spaces. Now normally when I'm doing a quick clean in the kitchen, I don't remove any of the decor or like the cutting boards out of the way to wipe down the countertops, but there was like a lot of grease around the stove and counters, so that triggered me to do more than just a quick clean. You will see me removing everything off of the surfaces to wipe it down. I definitely don't consider this to be a deep clean because I do way more when I'm deep cleaning. I did end up spending more time in here than I wanted to, but it's okay because I really love a nice clean kitchen. I'm not really going to decorate the kitchen right now, just put back the cutting boards and the plants next to the stove, but I'm not going to like put anything on an island. I'm going to wait until I put away all of the Christmas decor and start bringing back out my regular decor, and that way I know exactly what I'm going to use in the kitchen when I do that.
Sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta like a Friday night on the weekend. I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like the mirror you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. Trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day. Wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time. Don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down. No time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more. Those memories, time to make some new ones. Sun is up, I'm wide awake. We're not getting younger. If you still love me, then please just let me go. I won't stay with you, I need to live my own life. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more. Coming. Can we just leave it right here? Never to touch it again. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more. Yeah, I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life. Yeah, I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now. Yeah.
Alright, I am done with these spaces. I didn't bother messing with the dining room. I'm gonna just save this for next week when I take down the Christmas tree. It's not a ton of stuff, but I just didn't feel like doing it tonight because I did pause for a few hours and we did dinner. Had to do like, you know, the whole bedtime routine with the kids and stuff. So yeah, I just didn't feel like dealing with the dining room because I am pretty tired. This bathroom is good to go. I do want to make some changes in the living room. I plan to, you know, switch up some of the decor, the wall art. I already switched out the rug. Some of you guys might have noticed, but yeah, this one is from Ruggable, and with those rugs you can like put them in a washer, but this is really big, so this is not going to fit in my washer, but they're like stain resistant. And with Ruggable you get them in two parts, so you have the rug and, you know, it's really thin, so it's great for high traffic areas or if you don't really want a rug with a high pile, then it's great. It's not gonna have that much cushion, but it is soft. Like the material, it is soft on my feet, but it does come with a rug pad, so you can just peel this up. If you have like a smaller size, maybe a runner in your kitchen, and you need to just throw it in the wash, you could just peel this off and just put it in your washer. But yeah, that's one change that I wanted to make in here. I've been wanting a new rug for a while, so this is the first change. And to be honest with you, I really want new sofas. I mean, there's nothing wrong with these, but it's just not the style that I want in here anymore. I want something nice and modern, like this accent chair, sleek lines. Really love that look. And then you have the sofas. These are more like, you know, traditional, maybe transitional, but I love sleek lines, and I just like that modern contemporary look. But I don't think that's gonna happen anytime soon. I do want to switch out the wall art because I have some prints that I think would look better with this rug, so I will more than likely switch that out, but we'll see when I, you know, get all of the Christmas decor out of the way and I start redecorating spaces. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thumbs up if you did. Happy holidays, everyone. I would love it if you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. That'd be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.